Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So my dollar bead box came yesterday, so I was very excited, so I want to share it with you. And the dollar bead bag came, of course, too. So I'm going to put the box aside, 2 separate subscriptions. We'll get to that in a bit. Here's the bead bag, $8 a month, 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads, 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads, beautiful quality beads. We're going to go through them. Bead bag subscribers can reorder November items through December 2019 for $1 a strand. How great is that? You've got to go to the website. Everything's $1 or so. I don't think there's anything else that, I mean, it's amazing what a great deal everything is there. So let's pull them out. Really, I haven't found any fire polish beads for $1 for a 50-piece strand anywhere else. They're just awesome. And I just think it's such a great way to build up your stash. So let's go through the colors. And what I do is after I look at all my colors and all my beads, I choose the ones that I want to reorder. I put them aside. I list what I'm going to reorder, and then I put everybody away, and I put them away by color. It just works out great for me. Okay, 3mm strands. Dark cyan. And sometimes you get duplicates. So you're going to have some cyan somewhere in your stash. Either it be dark, matte, AB or whatever over time, and which is so great because then you have all these finishes and you have them all. I have them all stored by color, so I could have, you know, all blues, but so many different finishes that it's just really easy for me to pick them out for a project. Okay, so enough talking. Let's look at the beads. So here is dark cyan, beautiful. It's almost like a teal, gorgeous. Pearlized white. Oh, that's pretty. So this is like a stark white. It's going nuts. My lights are going nuts with this. That's really pretty. That looks like snow. Metallic Mardi Gras green. This is the first one I looked at when I opened it up. This is gorgeous. This and the 4mm in that plum color, but we'll get there. How pretty. Oh, love the sort of the sparkle on this, the foily looking kind of foil sparkle. Vintage rose gold luster. Beautiful. I love these 3 together. Or this and any of the blues, because to me these are beach colors. Gorgeous. They're all beach colors. Okay, let's go to the 4. Matte royal purple. Puff. Look at this color. It's like my sweater, right? Perfect. I love this. Love this color. Okay, I'm not going to go crazy, but I love this color. Matte medium copper. Beautiful. I like that it's a more medium copper, not too orange. Because in matte, I like it when it's a little less bright. It's gorgeous. Look at these 2 together, right here. Gorgeous. Love. Just right in my sweater, right? Look at that. Okay. Emerald green. Just your gorgeous standard emerald green, sparkly, beautiful. And matte cyan. So we have lots of reds going on over the months, and you know, you can build up quite a stash, and just anytime I need a fire polish, that's where I go. All right, so remember, $8 a month. Check out the website. I will link everything below in the description box so that you can check it out, see if it's right for you. Oops. They're sort of attached to my sweater. Okay, so I'm going to put these away, and then I'm going to grab the box. Okay, let's open the box. So the box, there are several different prices depending on how long your subscription is, so go to the website. Here it is. I'm going to link it down below. I think it's as low as $18.50 a month, but it goes up from there. There's free shipping depending on how long your subscription is. Rather than me explain everything, go to the website. It's really a fun website. So check it out, see if it's right for you. So I'm just going to put the box aside. I'm going to pull out the letter. So you get a letter. And I just give you a little bit of what's going on. So this month's box and bag they include some very holiday-themed colors, and they do, but they're not overly red and green, which is nice, so you have all kinds of options. So really, now is the time to start planning for beaded gifts. You should be beading. Okay, so they also have design inspiration. They suggest the dollar bead box pages on Pinterest. They have, you know, the YouTube, and they have the best Facebook group page, which is Dollar Bead Box Unboxers, which I will put down below in the description box as well. Here is the list. Put that aside, and we will take out the beads. I don't know, this subscription always really excites me because it's very affordable. For those of you who want a subscription, it's very affordable, and they give you, I always go back to those beads. Like if I'm doing something with a whole bunch of other beads that aren't from the dollar bead box, and I need a little accent bead or I need a focal piece, I just go right back to the dollar bead boxes, and I always find something. Okay, so let's pull these strands out first. Here we go. Got a lot of strands going on. And we'll put these aside. Let me just set them up so they look pretty. Oh, I see some we're going to have to free in order to see them, which means I can't mess up the video. Okay, here we go. All right, let me pull in close and we'll take a look at each one of them. So 6mm Czech glass 2-hole square, beige opal or matte beige opal, 25 pieces. Pretty. So it's just like it's kind of like a tile bead. I don't know if it's the same size. Could be. Or a Tila. Very pretty. 9x14mm Czech glass leaf, green opal with travertine and silver wash, 25 pieces. Oops. These are the ones I'm going to have to free. I just want you to really be able to see them. These are gorgeous, big. Let me just grab that. Okay. Wow, that's really pretty. I like it with the silver. That's really pretty. That's a nice big, did I say 25 pieces, 9x14? That's a nice big leaf. Gorgeous, look at all those beads. And look how pretty I like the silver on it. Pop those there. Then we have 5mm Czech fire polish beads, white opal. Hold on. White opal with antique gold finish. This has got to be this one, right? Love it. It's gorgeous. If I'm wrong, I'll replace it, but I'm pretty sure this is it. This looks like a 5mm to me. That's gorgeous. Again, it's the colors that are in my sweater. Look at that. It's beautiful. Like this and this. 4x6mm Czech glass drop. Gold acid wash. This was another one I was looking at. Look at it. It's definitely acid washed so that you can see some black and you see the gold and the black. That's cool. You know, it looks like something you like dug up from the ground or like they threw acid on it. It really does. I love it. I love the black and the gold together. That's really pretty. You get 25 pieces. 25 of this as well. 8mm Czech glass melon beads. Oh, these are big melon beads. Pink with silver speckles, 16 pieces. Wow. So that's an 8mm. That's cool. So I've been using a lot of 8mm pearls lately, so I think this is really interchangeable with a pearl. Those are pretty. Love the pink. Gorgeous. Really nice. I love the silver speckles on it. Looks like somebody, splashed some paint on them, paint droplets. 4mm resin miracle bead, chartreuse with gold luster, 50 pieces. Okay, so we have some of those red miracle beads, and these are the chartreuse. My camera's the lights are going nuts. It's really not that lemony, and it's kind of blurring because miracle beads are just weird. The way, they look different each way, how, each direction you look or the way you move them around, they sort of change. But these are really beautiful. Not as bright as what's showing. They're really a definite chartreuse, but my lights are playing with them a bit. 3mm Czech glass pearl, matte satin white. That's a nice little 3mm pearl. That's a satin pearl. And maybe I should adjust my lights a teeny bit so they're not. Okay. That's pretty. How many pieces do we have in this? 40 pieces, 50 pieces of the, if I didn't say it, of the chartreuse beads. Pretty. And then we have 6mm Czech glass pearl, matte satin white, so you have the 3 and the 6. So I've been making my some Drina, if you've watched my channel, bracelets. These are perfect, 6mm and 3mm. You can make a little bracelet with these. There. 1x2mm Chinese crystal Rondell silver, 120 pieces. You get 20 pieces here. I know I'm a broken record, but I love these little tiny rondelles. I love them. I love fitting them in little spaces. I always find a use for these. Great. Okay, so those are our strands. Now let's go for the additional items. 7 by 16 millimeter Czech glass 2-hole crescent bead. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm looking at the right one here. Am I? How many pieces are there? 6 pieces? 6 pieces. Okay, so I'm going to say that this is the crescent bead right here. If I'm wrong, a copper vitriol, I'll fix it. But I think I'm right because it's copper and vitriol. Look at the color on that. Oh, that's stunning. See the copper on one side, purples and greens on the other side. These are gorgeous. I don't know what to do with them, but they're gorgeous. I mean, I really have to get into using these because we have some others. And, you know, I have to expand my beading a little bit to some 2-hole beads, which I am going to be doing coming up very soon. 18 millimeter Czech glass Ammonite, opaque white with gold wash. We have several different ones of these. So I wonder if we look back, these are beautiful, and we can incorporate, like for a summer necklace, because it's like a shell, right, or a fossil, incorporate several of the different sort of these spiral ammonite, whatever you call them, beads, because we have a bunch of them. I don't know if the colors all go, but I'm going to check that out because I can see that as a really pretty summer necklace or an earring. This is really pretty. Wow. 5 millimeter daisy spacer, antique copper, 10 pieces. Oh no, it's not this one. Okay. I always love my daisy spacers. Love the copper. Really pretty. Six by 12 millimeter Chinese drop, turquoise rainbow iris, 4 pieces. Whoa, that's cool. So that's cool. That's like a turquoise. It's like a matte turquoise color, or just like an opaque turquoise, and it's got rainbow iris on the outside, and the holes are horizontal, which I love. These are beautiful. That's really pretty. I love the sparkle on the turquoise, and that it's opaque. Oops, sorry. Beautiful. 17 to 18 millimeter magnesite coin in turquoise, 2 pieces. Ooh. Okay. So this is let me make sure I'm doing the right one. I believe so. Wow, these are beautiful. Perfect earrings. We need to bezel these. It's like a coin pearl, right? Don't see if they'll bezel. They should. Really beautiful. These are gorgeous. Put those there. Get a little more room going. 12 millimeter etched glass laser etched, 12 millimeter Chinese glass laser etched barrel. Matte Peacock, 1 piece. I love all the addition of all the laser etched beads. Can't talk today. These are super. I would love that as a part of a tassel, with the strands coming out. So many ideas, so little time. Really beautiful. Look at the color shift. Can you see that? Beautiful. 6 millimeter Swarovski crystal cube, 2 pieces. Crystal, let's see. Here you are. Crystal CAL, I'm not sure what that means. It's gorgeous though. So it's got like a silver backing, and then the cube is crystal. And what was the size again? 6 millimeter. This would be pretty on like an earring for the holidays, wouldn't it? God, I'd have to incorporate that in some kind of holiday earring. That's beautiful. 5 millimeter Czech glass hexagon, full coat copper, 8 pieces. And that's this one. So this one, I think I messed up. We've had these before, and I wasn't sure what they were, but these are the hexagons right here. Little copper pieces. Pretty. like little spacer beads. And it's so cool that we have different types in the same color, so you can sort of incorporate them. Let me move down a little bit. 10 millimeter Chinese glass laser etched round. Peacock 2 pieces. So we do have some of these. I don't know if this is the size though. They might be smaller, which if they are would be great, because it would be great to put them together as earrings. But I don't remember if they're the same size or not. I'll have to check. Look again at the etching on that. Gorgeous. And the color shift. See that? It's beautiful. Wow. 5x7 millimeter Chinese star cut crystal, full coat silver, 6 pieces. Oh, here I missed one of those. There we go. The 6 pieces. We have a bunch of these. I'm still not exactly sure how to use them. If anybody has used these before, please comment in the description box below the video, because I would love some ideas. I mean, I haven't pulled them out to really play with them yet, but I will come, after the holidays, because they're so beautiful. I'm just not exactly sure what to do with them other than string them, which is fine, but I would love some other ideas from you guys. Look at the color. Gorgeous. I don't know, maybe we can incorporate those and these Swarovski beads together somehow. 7x6 millimeter pewter bail. 2 of them. Oh, love. Okay. That's awesome. So here it goes like this. Isn't that cool? So you have 2 of these. Use that for a necklace, for earrings, for a cord. Really pretty. And 9 millimeter pewter flowers, silver plated. You get 4 of them. So again, a beautiful little pewter bead. Here's the hole. Both sides are beautifully finished. Good size, 9 millimeter. Really nice. Okay, what a box, huh? This was like very beautiful. Okay, I already see an earring right there. Wouldn't that be cool if you have 2 of those to make? Or if you don't want to do earrings, what about a pendant and put something sparkly in between and put a bail on it, and there you have a little pendant. Love. Okay, so lots of ideas. Beautiful. They always do such a great job. Let me put here's the bag. Pull out a teeny bit. Here's the bag. There. Here's the box. Here's both. What can I say? I always love the dollar bead box. Such great selection of beads, great quality, and like a really great price. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the website and see if it's right for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.